welcome back to WallCutz YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be making this video today. Summer is coming to an end, so I busted out my summer porch leaner that I made with WallCutz a few months ago, and I flipped it over, got our base ready, and we are going to make the Snowman Stack today. I've been so excited to make this one. WallCutz has come out with multiple of their stacked stencils that are so cute, and they have that kind of sketch feel to them, and they're so perfect for welcoming guests this holiday season. So I'm going to get started making that, and you can watch me and my mother-in-law make our porch leaners and just share a few of our favorite tips and tricks. Okay, so before I laid my stencil down, I wanted to add some of these brush strokes to just give it a more vintage feel or add a little something to the background before my snowman. So what I did was I lightly dipped this painting brush into the white paint just on the tips of it, and then almost completely dried it off on my paper towel, just like I would offload my stenciling brush, and then I just swiped around the board until I was content with how it turned out. Typically, I use a Post-it note, but I couldn't find any close by, so any sturdy piece of paper will work for this. But I had this little business card, and I used it to separate the parts of the stencil that were really close together. That way I didn't get any of the black paint in the white parts of the snowman. And you can do this, you'll see me use this trick later in the video when I'm doing the scarves, just to keep those colors separated and not have any accidental swipes to the other parts of the stencil. I cut my stencil apart, that way I could place it exactly where I wanted it on the board and spread it out a little bit, and I'm going to add some garland to the top. I also cut out one of those snowflakes so that I can add a few more to the top of the board just to fill in any blank spots, and you can do this with any of the stencils you use. Just cut them apart and place it where you want it just to make it a little more unique to you. Now, I typically always tape down my stencils so that they don't get pushed or moved while I'm painting, but with this one star, I knew it was going to be so quick, so I just held it down really tight and painted it quickly and then pulled it up and didn't have any bleeding, thankfully. Alright, I just finished up my holiday project. I'm so excited to have this on my doorstep for Christmas, and I'm just going to add a little bit of greenery to the top to fill this space. This project was so much fun. I hope you learned a few helpful tips and tricks, and you can find more projects like this on our WallCutz community page on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram and Pinterest to be up to date on new stencils. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!